Hello guys, today I'm here with new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to fix Broadcom Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on macOS Big Sur. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose you will require OpenCore configurator for mounting EFI partition and editing config.plist, and required kexts for fixing BT and Wi-Fi. So, firstly I'll show you that currently BT and Wi-Fi is not working. As you can see here, BT isn't available. Wi-Fi isn't functional. To fix this, firstly mount the EFI partition of your system drive. Now browse to the following directory of EFI partition. Now, open required kext folder and copy all the kexts. Paste into kext folder of EFI. Clean up by name and go back. Now, open config.plist. Go to kernel tab, and here add all the kexts. You can use scan/browse option, or drag and drop option. After adding all the kexts, arrange it in correct order, otherwise your device may not work. Make sure to remove the selected entry, as it's not required for macOS Big Sur. Cross-check once again and save the plist file. And now, close all the folder, eject EFI partition, quit OpenCore configurator and restart your Mac. While restarting, make sure to reset NVRAM at least once. Mac has been restarted. Now let me show you that BT and Wi-Fi are functional now. BT devices are being detected. Wi-Fi also seems to functional now. Wi-Fi is connected now. Let's check for internet connection and speed. Internet connection is working, speed is also up to the mark. So, Broadcom Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is working perfectly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more updates, stay connected and have a great day.